Here we go with another hat, and again, this one starts with the double hex layer base. Again, the first 3 videos show how to do that, so if you are skipping ahead and you've missed those, you better go back and watch them. So we've got our double hex layer, and now what we're going to do is I'm going to, again, pick a color, doesn't matter which one, and I'm going to do about a hand and a thumb width bubble. And I'm going to do one more. Oh, wait a minute, I don't want to do that yet. I'm getting ahead of myself. A hand and a thumb width bubble. And I'm going to do one from the next one, the same way. And I'm going to twist those together. Like that. Then I'm going to go to my next pair and do the same thing. Let's start with this one, like this here. A hand and a thumb width bubble out of each of those. And twist those together. And then our final pair, again, hand and a thumb width. And twist those together. So we've got our 3 triangles coming out of the top of our hat that you can see there, sticking up. Now what you're going to do is pick one of your triangles, it doesn't matter which one, and we're going to take, and you can see how what I've done, how I've alternated them where the green comes out and continues going, so they make an X with an opposite. It's just a color preference that I like to do. Now we're going to take our green one here and come all the way out to the end and twist off a hand width bubble on the end, and then bring that back down so that it's continuing in the same direction that it was going. You can see how our green just keeps going over. And then our white, we're going to come back the other direction. So you come out to the end and twist off a hand width bubble, and it's going to come back to the other side of that base. So what we've done here, as you can see, they went up, cross, and then come back down to the same bases above where they started. And we're going to do the same with each of our other sets. I'm going to take my yellow, pull a hand width bubble, bring it down. See how it goes up and then back down this side, and then the pink is going to do the same thing on the opposite side from the yellow. And then I've got one more triangle. Do the same thing with it. There's my blue. And then my orange. And bring it down. And I've got all my bases. And what you get when you pull this in like that, I'm going to curve these just a little bit here on the top. You get a really crazy sort of gesture hat. You can see you've got your 3 points coming up. You can add a 5-inch round on the top of these to give it some extra texture or flavor or whatever. And bring all these down to the bottom. Let's go ahead and pull my bubbles out off of these to complete the effect. And you've got those sticking on the bottom. And you've got a really crazy, you can see how these sort of, it gives them a bit of a curve. And what I did is when I shake these, I gave them just a little bit of curve here. Like that. So they'll kind of curve up. Kind of like the peaks on a crazy gesture hat. And if you did this one, alternating in orange, green, or orange, purple, green, and yellow, you'll get a really nice Mardi Gras gesture hat. You could have pom-poms on the top or however you want to do with that. There you go.